plant-based wings and fries. This damn sun better not mess up my video. Sun God, got me again. Feeding time. Yo, welcome to Feeding Time. The Big Guy Ryback here. Lock my door so nobody jumps me during the food video. I have to get out and beat the hell out of somebody. We're back at Cafe Nofer. I had to try these. They've been on my mind since I saw them on the menu. We're going to get right into it. I got their 10 wings, plant-based wings. The sun, I know, is probably, there we go, and fries. I will say the fries are only half full, but I'm not upset at that because this isn't actually a rest day. I've had 3 hard days at the gym, getting freaking jacked and feeling good. So, but I got a big Stairmaster day today. So I've got some plant-based wings and fries. This damn sun better not mess up my video. Sun God, got me again. I'm gonna have some of these fries. I got some ranch too here. It's cold in Vegas today. I stood out there. They said it'd be done in like 15 minutes. So at the 15-minute mark, I got back out because the dining's not open yet. And I'm just standing out there, and I ring the bell. But I guess I didn't ring it all the way, so I didn't technically ring the bell. But they could, I assumed, see me standing out there. Stood out there for 15 minutes in the cold, just waiting. I go, I'm going to ring the bell again. And the guy was like, oh, is this yours? I go, yeah. So, anyways, it's feeding time. Little rant. Nothing like dipping your fries in a little ranch. Had to go drop off my luggage, my Briggs & Riley. Traveling style. Oh, the luggage is beat to hell. It used to be a matching set, and it broke. WWE, when I used to travel all the time, I used to be in there like every 2 or 3 months. I had multiple bags because the bags, your wheels just break. Because you're on the road, usually 5 days a week. Back then it was, back in my day. And not this one day a week stuff. Don't get me wrong, I think 1 day a week is way better. Don't want it to ever change. Won't ever go back to 5 days a week. It was, but I got my luggage fixed. Just thinking ahead. I do things months in advance. I'm like, I need to get my wrestling luggage fixed. Planning ahead. We're nowhere near anything right now, but, you know, plan ahead. Have that luggage ready to go. All right, I got to try these damn wings. I got the loser food tray down here initiated. We got to be very careful. Hey, look, the loser food tray has a spot for my ranch. Fits perfect. That's what she said. So these wings, the buffalo sauce smells amazing. Look at that. Get your little bitch hand off it, Jeffrey. Your little grimy fingers with little Mountain Dew stains on your chin and chest. Oh my God. Wow. I got to just say right off the bat, these are the closest things to chicken wings that aren't actually made of chicken that I've ever had. And with the stick inside of it, it feels very chicken wingy. Except for when you bite through, obviously, there's no bone in the middle. But that's the seitan, I think. How the hell do they do this? This makes me so happy. Because I love chicken wings. And it's the one thing I always did. But I love the sauce. It's not the texture on this is very, very close. Oh, this is a game changer. I mean, look at that. Is this chicken? Did they trick me? It's like the yogurt from Seinfeld. They said it was fat-free and it wasn't. Newman's fat ass eating it, getting even fatter. Joke around, guys. I love Newman. I love buffalo sauce. This is a good day. This item, 10 wings, and it came with fries, was $19.99. I think it was one of the most expensive things on the menu, but I now know why with these wings, and these are very satisfying. And I will say, so, because the Garden Grill has the best chicken fingers, but those are chicken fingers. I've not found anything that had chicken wings like this. And I mean, you can tell. This is now, to know that I can order these, I would order these for occasion. I would order hundreds of these to have at a party. I won't even tell people that they're plant-based wings. I mean, they would clearly know something's up when there's a stick in it, but I wouldn't tell them. Oh, just eat it, guys. Just eat it. I need to mix this up with some more fries. I wonder if they ate some of my fries in there while I was waiting out for them outside. They're just in there watching me eating my fries. They are good though. I'm not horribly upset though because I didn't want to eat a whole bag of fries anyways. I'm watching my figure. My body's sore from training this week. Gentleman walked into his car. Asian man. No doubt he's an owner of one of these spas over here. There's like 5 spas inside this building. Not that I've been counting or anything. But there is, because there's the Veggie Nation. I think there's 4. And they're, this is in Chinatown off of Spring Mountain. Very close to the strip for you guys coming here. Cafe No Fur. Tell them the big guy sent you. Maybe they'll give me some free food. This stuff is so satisfying. You're full, but you're not heavy. Like, if you know what I'm talking about, if you're vegan, plant-based. Look at the meat just hanging off the bone. Not me! I'm truly fascinated by the people who like get upset like when you tell them exactly how you consume all the protein on a vegan diet and learn all these foods, because what you're doing is most people just thinking of vegetables. all the protein foods aren't the vegetables. There's all these other foods that you're not even aware of that have been on this planet that are like complete proteins or near complete proteins that when they're combined with other forms of similar things, they become a complete protein, which is the same in your body, and it's way more pure because you're not getting all the side effects of the negative consequences of all the meat and the chicken and the fish. People get mad. They think, there's a thing, I'm sure thought this. You need to eat muscles to gain muscles. No, not even, it doesn't work like that. But it's just education. I look forward to proving and putting to work what I'm doing, and it's never felt better. So damn, things were dripping. Wow. They gave me a bunch of ranch. I think they gave me 3 of those or 4 of those things. Couldn't even get through one. Close that. Done. Did I even drink anything that whole video? What a psycho. Little Pumplex City, bitches. 10 count creatine. All right, Cafe No Fur. That was their chicken wings and fries. Man, that buffalo sauce is good. Has a little kick to it too. I wouldn't mind to try those nuggets I had here. Dipped in those, do the spicy nuggets here. That could be a request I do eventually. And on the way here, I found a brand new place. Tofu Cafe or Tofu Palace. Tofu Palace, I think it's called. So I got to go there and do a video, the Tofu Palace. Probably next week. Doing about 2 videos a week is what we're going to be doing. I think a Monday, Friday release, because that way I only eat out twice a week. I'm doing a lot of performance meals and not doing this stuff every day. So I'm giving this 9.7 out of 10. By far the best, closest thing to chicken wings that I've encountered in over 6 months of being vegan. And everything, and it has to be some sort of seitan. There's also this other stuff, there's also another ingredient they could have used. And I don't know if they have any of the tofu in that, but it's definitely very seitan-like on it. So fantastic job though done by them all around. Fries were very good too. That meal 9.7. So check them out again if you're around here in Vegas, and see if they have pizzas and burgers, and there's so many things here I got to come here and try. They got shakes, breakfast items. It's the whole shebang. So all right guys, I got to get out of here. I thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, turn on your notifications. Let's get these views up. If you're not getting notified, man, let's shell shock YouTube. I don't know, something like that. And feed me more nutrition on feedmemore.com if you want the best supplements on the planet. All right, gotta go. Feed me more. Thank you guys very much for watching this Feed Me More TV episode. To check out my podcast, The Ryback Show and the Shooting Blanks Wrestling Report, please support us over at Patreon, patreon.com Ryback. We have 2 different tiers available over there for both those shows. Feed Me More Nutrition available on feedmemore.com and Amazon. All first-time buyers can save 25% on the website with discount code SAVE25. And for all personal videos from yours truly, cameo.com/the Big Guy Ryback. Thank you guys again. Love you very much. Get hungry, stay hungry, be more. Feed me more.